Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best travel foundation container available on the market, the Furnido 2-pack 30ml frosted glass foundation bottles. If you're someone who loves to carry your favorite lotions, creams, or foundations on the go without any hassle or mess, this product is designed just for you. These bottles come in a set of 2, each with a 30ml or 1 ounce capacity, making them perfectly sized for travel or daily use. They are crafted from high-quality frosted glass, which not only offers a sleek and elegant look but also helps protect your cosmetics from light exposure, preserving their quality for longer. The frosted finish also gives the bottles a soft, luxurious feel that stands out from typical plastic containers. One of the standout features is the sturdy plastic pump head that accompanies each bottle. This pump allows for easy dispensing of your lotion, foundation, or body cream without any spills or waste. Plus, the pump mechanism is eco-friendly and BPA-free, ensuring safe use with a variety of cosmetic liquids. The bottle's design is simple and functional. The translucent frosted glass lets you easily see how much product is left, so you're never caught off guard. The screw bottle mouth design guarantees that the bottles are leak-proof. You can toss these in your bag or luggage without worrying about accidental spills or contamination, which is a huge plus for travelers. Included with the bottles are practical accessories, a plastic transfer pipette and a funnel. These tools make it incredibly easy to transfer your products into the bottles cleanly and quickly, reducing waste and mess. Whether you're decanting foundation, emulsion, essence, or essential oils, the pipette and funnel help make the whole process smooth and hassle-free. These bottles are versatile too. While they are perfect for foundation, they also work great for emulsions, cleansers, lotions, essential oils, and even eye creams. Their square shape offers a modern look and maximizes storage space, whether in your travel bag or bathroom shelf. In terms of dimensions, each bottle measures approximately 1.26 inches in width and about 4.17 inches tall, making them compact yet spacious enough to hold a generous amount of product. They are lightweight at just a few grams, so carrying multiple bottles won't weigh you down. If you've been searching for a refillable, reusable container that combines style, durability, and practicality, the Furnido frosted glass foundation bottles are a smart choice. Their high-quality materials, leak-proof design, and travel-friendly size make them a must-have for anyone who wants to maintain their skincare or makeup routine while traveling. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the Furnido 30ml frosted glass foundation bottles, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Until next time, happy travels and flawless application.